It's time for a quick look inside Vancouver Public Schools. I'm Nick Vohl. Thanks in part to the levies passed by Vancouver voters for more than 50 years, every student in Vancouver Public Schools has the chance to experience the arts. At Ben Franklin Elementary School, they just wrapped up their first play of the year, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
I did it, I really did it. I found the fifth going ticket.
At Benjamin Franklin Elementary School, students are putting the final touches on their fall play, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Well, I really like drama and acting and memorizing lines.
This is the first of 2 productions this year, which is impressive when you consider the age of these young actors.
This is our 6th year of putting on shows, and we've grown from 15 little children running around doing Where the Wild Things Are to a cast of now 60, and for the year we'll have expecting about 130 kids to participate.
That's about 90% of the 3rd through 5th graders. In September, students signed up for what role they wanted to play.
Good day, sir! I play Willy Wonka, and what I like about Willy Wonka is he's funny.
I've been choosing pretty small roles over the years, and I decided since it's my last year, I'll choose Charlie.
I'm the stage manager, so I practically have to get people in and out of the play when needed. Bossing people around, it's really fun to do that.
Productions like Willy Wonka are a chance for students to grow in ways they might not have available otherwise.
I see a lot of nervous kids that first day. They're scared to be in character, they're scared to step out of their comfort zone, and by the last rehearsal I had a kid come up to me to say, okay, today I have 8 changes I've made to the script. And I just let them go, because this is their time to really just blossom and to get to figure out if they want to go on and do theater beyond this.
And whether or not they act again, these students are learning organization, public speaking, teamwork, and self-expression.
Theater's been such an impactful thing on my life, and it's just such a joy every day to get to share it with them.
In the spring, students will be performing Alice in Wonderland, which they help select, so make sure you check in at Franklin to see when you can attend the show. And one way to do that is online. You can follow Franklin or you can follow the school district. We are on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Nick Vohl.